Well, look like Luke's actually a hero. The cat saved the bird. Baby bird's sitting here. Oh, look, it's moving. I have no idea what the hell to feed a baby bird. It looks like its wing might be broken. I think all the vets are closed right now, and I don't have any more money to pay for it to go to the vet. I just want to drop it off somewhere. We'll go find it some bird seed or something. I don't know. It's adorable. Sweet little thing. She could keep it. Birdie, birdie, birdie. See? All I know is cats. Wow. It's so beautiful. But I refuse to just let it die, so I gotta do something.